We are continuing to follow a horrific story in Spartanburg County. This father, husband, brother, and son killed on his own property when that F-150 left the roadway, hitting him right there in the driveway. The 911 calls and the bond hearing for the 17-year-old many know around the country and here in the upstate. Take a listen to that 911 call made as her father was on the ground.
A truck ran through my dad's shop. Please just hurry. I think someone ran him over. Please hurry. Okay, he ran your dad over? I think so. Just please hurry. Okay, I've got everybody on the phone. Are you okay? Stay on the phone with me. Okay. Daddy, please. Daddy. Okay. Ma'am, I've got them on the way. Just stay on the phone with me, okay?
That audio played in the bond hearing for Caleb Kennedy today. I mentioned many people across the country know him. He was on American Idol last year. He was kicked off the show, and now he is locked up at this hour, charged with felony DUI, resulting in death.
Fox Carolina's Brookley Cromer live in our newsroom to explain what happened in court today. Brookley.
Well, Larry Paris's family emotional in court when they heard that 911 call we just played. How moments before his daughter made the call, she went outside and found her dad pinned under Kennedy's truck. We're told Kennedy was sitting on the ground holding him. How we now know more about what led up to the deadly crash yesterday. Solicitor Barry Barnett says Kennedy met a friend at Walmart in Roebuck. He says Kennedy took a hit from a vape pen, then got behind the wheel and started feeling the effects while driving. Highway Patrol says Kennedy's truck went more than a football field's length down a driveway in Spartanburg County, plowing over Larry Paris, who was walking to his workshop when Kennedy hit him. His family emotional in court, saying their family will never be the same.
Came from Roebuck, 25, 30 miles, drove down a half a mile road that God knows why he was there, and plowed down one of the best men you would ever meet at home, minding his own business. He took away a husband, a son, a daddy, a brother, a best friend. We don't know, we can't bring him back. And so, with that respect, if he can come from Roebuck and go down a half a mile road that you wouldn't even know existed and kill an innocent man, then what else could he do?
The solicitor says alcohol was not involved. The felony DUI charge is drug-related. Now, investigators are running toxicology tests. Those results are still pending. We talked to his attorney as well. He said he had a reaction to medication he's taking.
Ears were like a water spigot. I mean, they're pouring out as much as anybody I've ever seen. He is very, very scared, very sorry for what happened. I mean, he doesn't know what happened, and that's why it's going to take some time to figure it out. Which is why he should have had a bond. I mean, this kid's not a danger to the community. He's not a flight risk. I mean, everybody knows him obviously, because y'all wouldn't be sitting here interviewing me if it's not the case.
How the judge denied bond, sending the hearing to General Sessions Court. His family was not inside the courtroom, but I spoke with his sister afterwards. She did not want to go on camera, but she tells me this is a terrible situation for both families involved. The charge for felony DUI carries a punishment of up to 25 years behind bars. Live in the newsroom, Brookley Cromer, Fox Carolina News.